Hello, and welcome to the 2023 Web Developer Roadmap. Are you feeling lost in the world of web development? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's like a jungle out there, but with more code and less wildlife. But fear not, my friend. I'll guide you through the thick vines and dense foliage of the web development world. I'll equip you with the tools and knowledge you'll need to succeed in this ever-evolving landscape. The world of web development is constantly evolving, and it can be hard to keep up with all the changes. But by following this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to staying ahead of the game. Firstly, let's start with the basics. To become a web developer, you must have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I know, they sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, they're the bread and butter of web development, and you cannot create a website without them. HTML is used to create the structure of a website, while CSS is used to style and make it look visually appealing. JavaScript, on the other hand, is used to add interactivity to your website, such as animations, pop-ups, and other features. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to level up like Mario on mushrooms and learn some web development frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks allow you to build more complex and scalable web applications, and they make the development process more efficient. But frameworks are just the beginning. To truly excel in web development, you'll need to be proficient in various backend technologies, including server-side scripting languages like PHP, Python, and Ruby. You'll also need to be familiar with databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL, which allow you to store and retrieve data on the server side. In addition to these skills, you'll need to have a good understanding of web service and deployment. You'll need to know how to deploy your web applications to a server and manage it efficiently to ensure your site is always up and running. Don't forget about APIs and third-party services. You need to know how to integrate third-party services and APIs into your web applications, like payment gateways, email services, and social media platforms. This will make your application more functional and easier to use. Finally, security is always a concern in web development. You'll need to know how to secure your website from attacks, prevent data breaches, and protect your users' data. Familiarity with security protocols and best practices will be crucial in 2023 and beyond. Before we wrap up, I have a couple of recommendations for those who are looking to expand your web development skills. Firstly, I highly recommend checking out the CS50 web development course on YouTube. This course is taught by Harvard University professors and covers everything from the basics of HTML and CSS to advanced topics like SQL and Django. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their web development skills. Secondly, if you're looking for a more hands-on approach, check out Freecodecamp.org. This website offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers everything from HTML and CSS to advanced topics like React and Node.js. The best part, it's completely free and offers a supportive community of fellow learners to help you along the way. So whether you prefer a more structured approach or a hands-on learning experience, these resources are sure to help you on your journey to becoming a successful web developer in 2023 and beyond. The greatest mistake I made when learning web development was ending up in tutorial hell, where I was great at doing web development tutorials, but I was unable to complete a project on my own, meaning I wasn't able to make any projects of my own. While tutorials and courses are great for learning the basics, working on projects is where you really start to hone your skills as a web developer. So I highly recommend that you start building your own projects as soon as possible and take help from the internet when you're stuck at a problem. This will give you the chance to apply what you've learned and gain valuable experience in web development. Lastly, it's important to keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies in web development. Some of the emerging technologies in 2023 include progressive web apps, machine learning, and blockchain. By keeping up with the latest trends, you'll be able to stay ahead of the competition and offer your clients the latest and greatest technology. And that's a wrap for the 2023 Web Developer Roadmap. Remember, keep learning, stay up to date, and have fun with it. Happy coding!